Hello students, today in this session we will study molecularity of reaction and order of reaction. At first there's a question. Yesterday I have given to test your knowledge for the reaction. The rate of formation of nitrogen dioxide is 2.8 into 10 की power minus 3 mole per liter. Calculate rate of disappearance of nitrogen pentoxide and rate of appearance of O2. Students, at first we have to express rate of reaction. Rate of reaction, change in concentration of any one of the reactant or product with time. Rate of reaction equals to change in concentration of reactant or product with time. We know concentration of reactant decrease with time, so we mention negative sign. dN2O5 upon dt. We will start from the reactant and proceed up to the last product. Now reactants complete, products dNO2 over dt. Again we will mention equals to. We will mention equals to again and again until all reaction components are completed. dO2 over dt. Now we know reciprocals of coefficients are taken to get identical values. Stoichiometry is 2, 1 by 2. Stoichiometry 4, 1 by 4. Stoichiometry is 1, it's already 1. That's the rate of reaction, students. At first we express rate of reaction. Then the super trick is, please mention the species whose rate we have to find and compare it with the species whose rate is given. Now it's clear whose rate is, we are going to find rate of disappearance of N2O5. So please write this species. 1 by 2 dN2O5 over dt. Now we will not mention negative sign. Negative sign indicates that it disappears. And compare it with the species whose rate is given. Students, whose rate is given? Rate of NO2 is given. So we compare it with it. 1 by 4. Directly write the rate. How much rate is given? 2.8 into 10 की power minus 3. 4 7 28, 0.7. dN2O5 over dt. Now it becomes equals to 0.7 into 2, that is 1.4 into 10 की power minus 3 mole per liter per second. After this, students, the demand of the question is then find rate of appearance of O2. Select the species whose rate we have to find, that is oxygen molecular, dO2 over dt. Compare it with the species whose rate is given. Rate of NO2 is given. We can even compare it with N2O5 now because we have find its rate. Same answer will come. 1 by 4, 2.8 into 10 की power minus 3. Sorry for that. We got our answer 0.7 into 10 की power minus 3 mole per liter per second. That's an easy question to express rate of reaction and find rate of appearance of disappearance, because one of the thing will be in the question. We got indication, then easily find. After this, next, students, molecularity of reaction. Molecularity of reaction, number of reacting species participating in a chemical reaction. Friends, molecularity of reaction, it is theoretical concept. We directly check the stoichiometry of the reacting species. These are the reactions given. Decomposition of ammonium nitrate. Reaction is given, reaction and products both will be in the equation. All of you know what is a possible product? Decomposition of ammonium nitrate. Students, remove water from it. Since it has 4 hydrogens, 2 water molecules are eliminated. What is left? Nitrous oxide, laughing gas. 2N2 and 1O. Reaction of nitric oxide with O2 leads to the formation of dioxide. Now what's the molecularity of this reaction? Students, what's the stoichiometry? We have to check the stoichiometry on left hand side, that is of reacting species 2 and 1, 3. We say the molecularity is 3, that is it is trimolecular reaction. Trimolecular, molecularity is 3. What is the molecularity of this reaction? Stoichiometry on left hand side is 1. We say molecularity is 1, it is unimolecular. I already explained you molecularity, that's theoretical concept. Only check the stoichiometry of left hand side, reacting species 2 and 1, 3, that is molecularity is 3. Ammonium nitrate, molecularity is 1. Stoichiometry of reacting species is 1. After this, next, order of reaction. Students, order of reaction, it is experimental concept. At last we will do distinguish order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. Order of reaction, it is experimental concept, and molecularity of reaction, it is theoretical concept. In this we proceed the mechanism of reaction. In this we check only the stoichiometry of reacting species 2 and 1, 3. Molecularity is 3, directly answer. In order of reaction, we express rate law equation. At first order of reaction, sum of the power of the concentration term of reactants expressed in rate law equation. Students, we can find order of reaction only when rate law equation is given. Otherwise, we can't detect order of reaction. What is the stoichiometry of this reaction? A plus B, number of reacting species. What is the order of this reaction? We can't answer until rate law equation is not given. Order of reaction, sum of the power of concentration term of reactants expressed in rate law equation. Students, that's the rate law equation given. Rate equals to rate constant, A की power P, B की power Q. Now what is order of reaction? Sum of power of concentration term of reactants in rate law equation. What are the sum of power A and B, P and Q? Order of reaction is P plus Q. And what is the molecularity? A plus B. In molecularity we focus only on given chemical equation. And for order of reaction, we go for rate law equation. Sum of the power of concentration term of reactants expressed in rate law equation. Friends, when molecularity and order of reaction they are different, 100% it is complex reaction. What is complex reaction? That is reaction completed in more than one step. Single step reaction, they are called elementary reactions. I hope you know what are elementary reactions and what are complex reaction. Elementary reactions, that is single step reactions, and complex reactions completed in more than one step. When order and molecularity they are different, 100% they are complex reactions. Now please students, calculate the overall order of reaction which has the given rate law equation. Rate law equation is given. What is order of reaction? Sum of the power. Students, what is the sum of the power in the rate law equation? A की power half and B की power 3 by 2. 2 LCM 4 by 2. Our answer is order of reaction is 2. That is, it is second order reaction. In the same way, please do by yourself. Sum of the power and mention me answer, students. After this, next order of reaction, that is first order, second order, third order. What is first order reaction, students? It's clear within the question. A reaction is said to be first order when rate depends upon the power of only one concentration term. Students, that's the equation. Decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. Rate law equation is given. Rate equal to K and 2O5. It's clear. Sum is 1. What is the power of this 1? Order of reaction is 1. Again, molecularity. We focus on equation 1. When order and molecularity they are same, it is elementary reaction, that is single step reaction. Again, students, decomposition of ammonium nitrite. Ammonium nitrite, please. All of you know now. Water will eliminated. It contains 4 hydrogens, 2 water molecules. Now what is left? Molecular nitrogen. What is order of reaction? We focus on rate law equation. Rate law equation is this one. Rate is equal to K and power of ammonium nitrite is 1. It is first order. Second order reaction. Reaction is said to be second order when rate depends upon the power of two concentration terms. Just like reaction of molecular hydrogen with molecular oxygen, rate equal to this one. What is the sum of the power? Hydrogen 1, iodine 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Students, it is second order reaction. Again, molecularity is 2. But order of reaction, we go for rate law equation. Again, the reaction of nitric oxide with ozone. Ozone, you know, it is oxidizing agent. Oxidize nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide. Rate equal to this one. Again, what is the sum of the power? 1 plus 1 equal to 2. It is second order reaction. Students, after this third order reaction, definition now you know, reaction is third order when rate depends upon the power of 3 concentration terms, and that's the example. Reaction of nitric oxide with molecular oxygen to give nitrogen dioxide. Rate equal to K. What is the sum of the power? 2 plus 1, 3. Molecularity is again 3. Order and molecularity are same, it means it is elementary reaction. Students, now please come here. Reactions of fractional order. Fractional order reactions also known, that is decomposition of acetaldehyde. Ethanol, decomposition of acetaldehyde. It will give CH4 methane plus carbon dioxide. CH4 plus CO, carbon monoxide. Now according to rate law equation, rate equal to K. The power of acetaldehyde is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Now it's fractional order, students. Order and molecularity, they are not same. Molecularity is 100%, it is complex reaction. What is complex reaction? Reaction completed in more than one step. They are called complex reaction. And students, in case of complex reaction, slow step is called rate determining step. Slow step is rate determining step. It is again important question. In case of complex reaction, rate depends upon, you will answer slow step. Slow step is rate determining step. Please learn. Remember the example of fractional order, decomposition of acetaldehyde. When we proceed for its mechanism, in slow step, the stoichiometry of CH3CHO will be 3 by 2. Hence, rate equal to K, power of CH3CHO 3 by 2. We will discuss mechanism of reactions in next video. Next, students, at last, zero order reaction. A number of zero order reactions are known. Reaction is said to be zero order when rate of reaction is independent of the concentration of reactants. Rate is independent of the concentration of reactants. It is zero order reaction. Rate depends upon the power of one concentration term. It is first 2 concentration terms, second order. What if it is independent? We call zero order reaction. And one of the example of zero order reaction is decomposition of ammonia on the surface of metal, that is platinum. It will decompose, leads to formation of molecular nitrogen and molecular hydrogen, that it is in balance form. Students, it has been observed that the rate of reaction is independent of the concentration of ammonia. Rate equal to K, NH3 power 0, because it is independent. Now rate becomes equal to K. Anything power 0 becomes 1. Rate equal to rate constant. 100% when rate equals to rate constant, your answer is it is zero order reaction. And that's the example. Decomposition of ammonia on the surface of metal, that is platinum. Students, in this reaction, the platinum metal surface act as catalyst. Platinum, we know it is catalyst. The metal surface act as catalyst. At sufficiently high pressure of ammonia, the metal surface gets fully saturated with ammonia gas. Sufficiently high pressure of ammonia, the metal surface gets fully saturated with ammonia gas. Further increase in the concentration of ammonia has no effect. That is, amount of ammonia on the surface of catalyst does not change. So it is zero order reaction. Rate is independent of the concentration of reactants, that is rate equal to rate constant, that is zero order reaction. Students, next, again for your assignment, distinguish order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. You have to mention 4 points. It is of 2 marks. First point, definition, you know, sum of the power of concentration term of reactants expressed in rate law equation. Reacting species participating in chemical reaction. It is experimental concept. Second point, it is theoretical concept. Order of reaction can be 0. Molecularity of reaction can't be 0. At least reaction is proceeding, it means one of the participant must be there. Molecularity cannot be 0. Order, it is applicable for elementary as well as complex reaction. Molecularity, it is applicable only for elementary reactions. Please write 4 points. After this, next students, units of K for different order of reactions. The question will be related to this topic. What are the units of rate constant for first order, second order, zero order or nth order? Before doing the units of K, you know it is rate constant. At first we should know the units of rate. What is rate? Rate of reaction, change in concentration of reactant or product with time. Rate means concentration upon time. You know concentration, units mole per liter, time second. What are the units of rate? Mole per liter per second. Units of rate, mole per liter per second. Now units of K, students, units of rate constant for different order of reactions. That's a part of question. Suppose question is give units of K for first order reaction. Students, we will consider general reaction rate equal to Ka. Sum of the power is 1, it is first order. Units of K for second order, we will consider the general reaction rate equal to Ka ki power 2. Because when rate law equation is given, we can easily determine rate. We can easily identify order. Power is 2, it is second order. Power is 1, it is first order. Now we have to give units of K. K equals to rate upon A. Now please, what are the units of rate? Tell me. Mole per liter per second. And what are the units of concentration? It is concentration term. Mole per liter. Now students, you know it will cancel. Mole per liter per liter. What are the units? Second inverse. That's the question. Give units of K for first order, second inverse. Units of K for second order. Rate equal to Ka ki power 2. Now K becomes rate upon A ki power 2. What are the units of rate? Tell me. Mole per liter per second. Units of concentration? Mole per liter. What 2 times? Because power is 2. Friends, 1 time it cancel. Mole per liter, 1 time cancel. What are the units? Mole inverse. Because it becomes inverse when it goes above liter, second inverse. I hope you easily understand. In the same way, give units of K for third order. Please give power 3 and so on. Now I am going to tell you the super trick how to find units of K, students. We will use this formula. That's the super trick to give units of K. Mole per liter 1 minus n second inverse, where n is order of reaction, which is the demand in question. Suppose the demand is give units of K for 0 order. We will put n 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 0. What is our answer? Mole per liter per second. Give units of K for first order. Students, for first order we will put n 1. 1 minus 1 0. That is whole becomes equal to 1. And units are second inverse. Give units of K for half order. Please put n is equal to half. 1 minus half equal to half. We got mole, half, liter minus half. When we multiply this all by half, we got this second inverse. Give units of K for second order. Put n 2, students. What's your answer? 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. That is mole inverse minus minus plus liter second inverse. Mole inverse liter second inverse. Students, mole liter, they have same power, only sign will change. Its plus sign, it will minus sign. Its plus sign, it will vice versa minus. But power will remain same of mole and liter. If it is 4, it will again 4. It's minus, then it's plus and vice versa. For third order, please put n 3. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. It's clear, mole minus 2, liter 2 second inverse. inverse. Friends, here we find the units of K for first order and for second order. First order second inverse and second order mole inverse liter second inverse. Again same here by this trick. First order second inverse and second order mole inverse liter second inverse. That's the short trick. Mole per liter 1 minus n second inverse. Put n. What is the demand of question? If it's find the units of K for 1 by 4th order, then put n 1 by 4. You will got your answer easily. Now next is give units of K for nth order, students. Units of K for nth order. Mole. What is the formula? Per liter 1 minus n second inverse. Now please open it. Again open it. Mole 1 minus n. 1 into 1 minus n. Liter n minus 1. Minus plus second inverse. That's the units of K for nth order. After this you have to open it. Mole 1 minus n, liter n minus n. I already clear mole and liter. Power will same, sign will change. It is 1 minus n, then vice versa it becomes n minus 1. Next students, please do this question. Identify order of reaction for each of the following having rate constant. Students, value of K, rate constant is given. We have to detect order of reaction. Students, order of reaction we can detect only from units. We will identify these are the units for first order, second order, third order, zero order. We give our answer easily. The value of K, it gives only the extent of reaction. More the value of K means reaction proceed more towards the product side. But we will give units only from, we can identify order only with respect to units. Again I am going to tell you one super trick, students. Whenever the value of K is given and we have to detect order of reaction, please focus on the power of liter and add 1 to it. What's the power of liter? 1. Add 1 to it. 100% it is second order. What's the power of liter? Minus 1. Add 1 to it. Minus 1 and plus 1 becomes 0. It is 0 order. What's the power of liter? Friends, in this liter is not mentioned. It means it is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. It is first order. I hope concept is clear. Please look here. These are the units for second order. Mole inverse liter second inverse. So it is second order. The short trick is only notice the power of liter and add 1 to it. We can easily give order of reaction. Next students, these are the questions to test your knowledge. Related to my topic we discussed today. Is there any reaction for which reaction rate does not change with time? Is there any reaction? Yes, zero order reaction. For zero order reaction, rate of reaction is independent of the concentration of reactant. Units of K are same as that of its rate. Identify order of reaction. Students, again when rate equal to rate constant, units of rate constant are same. That is rate equal to rate constant. Again it is zero order reaction. What are the units of K for zero order reaction? Mole per liter per second. And what are the units of rate we do? Rate is change in concentration with time. Mole per liter per second. For zero order reaction, students, rate equal to rate constant. And when rate is equal to rate constant, you should know it is zero order reaction. A reaction is second order with respect to a reactant. How is rate of reaction affected when concentration of reactant is number 1 doubled and number 2 reduced to half? Students, at first please write rate law equation according to the question. I hope the rate law equation is rate equal to K. We consider reactant A. Now what is the powers? Reaction is second order, so we put the power 2. Write rate law equation according to question. Rate equal to K A ki power 2 because it is second order. If it's third order, then I mentioned 3. Now students, what is the demand in question? How is rate of reaction affected when concentration of reactant is doubled? When concentration of reactant is doubled, that is it becomes 2A. Now it becomes double 2A, 2 ka square 4. So we will write rate becomes 4 times. Rate becomes 4 times. And in second, when concentration of reactant is reduced to half, when we reduce it to half, students, it remains second order. Power remains 2 because it is second order. Now demand is reduced to half. Now half का square, rate is reduced to 1 by 4 times. Please do such questions from your textbook. Next, how will the rate of reaction change when the concentration of reactant is tripled for zero order reaction? Friends, for zero order reaction, you know rate equal to K. Concentration of reactant is tripled, that is rate remains unchanged for zero order. Rate equal to rate constant. For third order, you will write the equation at first, rate equal to K and A की power 3. It is zero order, so A की power 0. Rate remain unchanged. Now for third order, rate equal to K, A की power 3. When concentration of reactant is tripled, student, 3A. Now 3 का cube 27. We will write rate becomes 27 times. Please at first write equation according to question, then put the situation. What's the demand? Third order reaction है, rate equal to K, A की power 3. Now concentration of reactant is tripled. I modify it, A से 3A. 3 का cube, rate becomes 27 times, and for zero order it remains constant. Next, what is rate constant? Students, please give definitions of rate constant and how it is related to the concentration of reactant. What is rate constant and how it is related to the concentration of reactant? Friends, one more topic, units of K, that is rate constant for gaseous reactions. Units of K for gaseous reactions. Friends, for gaseous reactions, concentration is expressed in terms of pressure. Concentration is expressed in terms of pressure having unit atmosphere. Having units atmosphere. For gaseous reactions, we use the formula atmosphere 1 minus n second inverse. That's the trick to give units of K for gaseous reaction. For first order, n is equal to 1 second inverse. For second order, n is equal to 2, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, that is atmosphere inverse second inverse. For zero order, n is 0, atmosphere second inverse. For third order, n is 3, atmosphere minus 2 second inverse. Please do it also in your notebook. Units of K for gaseous reactions. Thank you.